Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So after the evolution of AI tools, so there are many AI tools are available in market in order to write your research paper. So every AI tool has its unique options and templates available in them. Some AI tool is specialized in writing abstract, some AI tool is specialized in writing literature review. So like that, based upon the research paper writing process, so every AI tools are designed. So in this video I am going to show you a single AI tool which is having all the templates especially for your research paper writing. So I am going to show you which template you can use to write which part of your research paper, starting from your abstract up to conclusion. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI templates available in this AI tool and how you can use that particular AI tool wisely for your research paper writing. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that LMS AI. So go to lmssolution.net.in. So you will find an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on the option LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of AI templates, especially designed for research paper writing. So first I am going to start with abstract. So if you want to write an abstract, so you can go to the chatbot here. So in this chatbot, you can give the input prompt like this: generate an abstract for the research paper titled grid connected PV system. So like that I am going to give an input prompt, a basic prompt. So depending on your topic, so you can give your prompt. So based upon that particular prompt, so this chatbot will analyze the particular option and it will give perfect abstract for you. So here comes the abstract. As not we didn't given any detailed that is detailed explanation regarding our paper. So it is just generating a common abstract, which so you can use this abstract as a tentative abstract. So after completing your paper, so you can give that is important points that has to be incorporated in that particular abstract. So thereby this chatbot will incorporate all the important points and will make a perfect abstract for you. So this is a chatbot especially designed to answer your research questions. So you can ask any questions you want related with your research paper. So if you want to generate any common things or common ideas related with your research work, so it will generate for you. So for example, I am going to ask refresh this page, chatbot page. So after that you can give the input prompt. So for example, if you need modeling of a PV system, so again I am going to give generate modeling of PV system with necessary equations. So like that you can give an input prompt like this. So based upon your topic, so you can give input prompt like this. So according to your input prompt, so this chatbot will analyze answer and it will give academically related answer. So that will be very helpful for you to make your research paper writing more effective. So here comes the modeling of PV system. So here you can see components, key equations. So these are the equations. So here this is the first equation, second equation, third one, and then fourth one. So after that you can see all the equations, what are the things you have to calculate. All the things will be showcased here. So this kind of equations will be very helpful to incorporate in your research paper. So whatever you want, it will give you a content that is content which is to be incorporated in research paper writing. So that will be given by this particular chatbot. So go on and explore this chatbot and make content very easily using this chatbot. So the next template what we are going to the next process in research paper writing is literature review. So for that you will be having 5 different LMS AI templates. So starting from literature review, reference to content, detailed literature review, chat with paper, and chat with PDF text. So in order to do instant literature review, so you can use this 2 options, literature review and reference to content. So you can just click on the option called reference to content template. So in this you need to copy and paste the 5 recent references. For example, so I am going to give this references, just copy and paste here. So and then just give on generate content. So before that, if you need any citation style you want, so you can give that citation style. So based upon that citation style, it will cite that particular papers respectively. So here comes the literature review. So this will give an instant literature review for you, so you can use this kind of template also. So if you want to make a detailed literature review, if you are writing an Q1 paper, that is SA indexed paper, Q1 paper, so you need a better literature review by analyzing your reference papers. So just download your reference papers and you can go to the option called detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, you will be asked to give the following details: title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. So after giving all these things, so you will get a perfect literature review. So you can use this for a detailed literature review. So after that, so in research paper writing process, after literature review, so you need to make some, that is modeling of the system. So as I have already said in this video, so you can use the same chatbot to model equations or modeling or any theoretical explanations, so that you can get through this chatbot itself. So after completing this, so you may take some results, so you may make some tables. So here comes the table, a content, that is a template called explain the table content. So for example, so I am having some tables related with your topic. For example, so I am going to take this random table here, so from a research paper. So you can just copy, so and go to explain the table content. So just give on explain, so automatically you will get theoretical explanation for that particular table. So some may have many number of tables. So if you are struggling to make theoretical explanation of that respective tables in your research paper, so you can use this template. So automatically by proper citation, so it will give theoretical explanation for this table. So this will be very helpful for you to get theoretical explanation of all the tables in your research paper. So next, if you want to make charts or graphs, or if you want to generate MATLAB code, so you will be having an option called generate MATLAB code. So you can just click on generate MATLAB code option. So you can, whatever the code you want, you can generate. So for the same table, so you can give, I need to draw a chart, so like that you can give. So after giving, so it will generate the MATLAB code for you. So you can just copy and paste the code in MATLAB. So thereby you can get high quality pictures and graphs, as we have made a detailed video regarding in our channel itself. So you can check that also. So this is how you can generate MATLAB code, not only for drawing the graphs or charts. So if you need to use MATLAB for any applications, so you can generate perfect MATLAB code. So for that, here you can see that the MATLAB code is generated. So you can use this code in MATLAB to generate a high quality graphs and charts in your research paper. So next, after completing all your research paper, so you need to that is improve the quality of your research paper. So or if you want to reduce the content, so you will be having different kinds of AI templates called summarizer and then grammar corrector. So both this will be very helpful for you to make or improve the quality of your research paper. So in this grammar corrector template, so you copy and paste the content paragraph wise. So automatically grammatically corrected, that is content will be generated here. Automatically the grammar will be corrected here. So next important thing is that plagiarism reduction in your research paper. So for that, 2 dedicated templates are available. So especially that is called paraphrasing and plagiarism reducer. So both these templates will be very helpful for you to reduce the percentage of plagiarism in your research paper. So you can use any one of this. So plagiarism reduction also works out well, and then paraphrasing also works out well. So both these templates are especially designed for plagiarism reduction, especially without changing the core meaning of the content. So that is very important. So you can use both this template. Next one, if any reviewers or editors ask to change the reference styles, so you will be having a reference style converter also. So you can copy and paste the reference style what you have placed in your research paper. So after that, you can convert in the respective format what the reviewers or editors asked for in the respective journals. So here you can have, these are the citation styles, so you can use in order to change the references. So this is how you can use all these templates, especially for your research paper writing. So all these templates are especially planned and designed for your academic purposes. So it will give a unique content, especially when you are writing your research paper. So you can can use this AI templates to make your research paper writing simple. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that at just 199, so you can access all this LMS AI templates, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. So after that, important thing is that you can have unlimited access for all our templates, so you can generate whatever the content you want. So next, for pro plan is just 299 and ultimate plan at 499. So these are the different plans and pricing options. So based upon that, so you can choose your plan wisely and make your research paper writing easy using this kind of AI templates, and make your research paper writing simple. So hope this AI templates will be very helpful for you, and you can aware about which template where you can use to write your research paper, which part of your research paper. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.